Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can create sales order on ClearBooks. To create sales order, we need to go to sales section and to subsection called quotes. If you cannot see quotes here, you need to enable it in features under settings section. Under here. Okay, so sales, quotes. To create sales order, we need to click on create quote. From here, change quote type to sales order. You can add a new customer or select from your drop-down list one which is available. So I have online shop here. Select sales order date. I have 8th of August. Credit terms are 7 days, but you can amend if you wish to. And also you can add a particular reference number if you need to quote one. Theme is a template of a quote. So that is a colors, like different colors provided. Select one which you really fancy. Okay, next section is main body of the sales order. So either I can select an item from my drop-down list if you have set up items or managing stock. Otherwise, just type in description here. So I will have service 1. Select an account, so where this income or revenue need to be recorded. Select quantity and select a price. Okay. If you are VAT registered business, don't forget to select VAT, and VAT will be calculated there. So my total is 1,400 and I'm not VAT registered business, it's why my VAT is 0. Next, little bit back. If you have multiple lines to add, click on add new line and you can add another line here. Okay, if you don't want this line to show up, delete. Okay, under summary, we can provide additional notes or information. Select bank details which need to be displayed. In my case, it's current account. I can edit invoice payment text and also I can manage attachments. If I click on preview, this is a draft of a sales order. There is a details on this sales order. So if you want to change something, you can still go back and amend. We can refresh if some changes have been made, and also we can click on save draft. So this sales order currently is in draft status. So click on draft section and you can see there is this quote sales order what I have created. We cannot send it out, its envelope is grayed out. So if we click under manage options, here we can edit, download or print as PDF. We can get an online link, we can attach a scan like support documents, we can create invoice, copy this sales order, or mark as complete. Only when we will click mark as complete, we will be able to actually email or distribute in different ways this sales order. So now from draft, this has been moved to complete. So there is my sales order. And to email out, I can click on this envelope. Okay, and now I have option either I can send through email, send by post, or hand delivered. In my case, I have sent this sales order by post. And now I can see that this has been marked as a send. So in this episode, I showed you how you can create sales order on ClearBooks. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my complete ClearBooks tutorial and review episode. If you have not seen it yet, check it out.